Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got the 1086 here, and I want to replace that wheel seal. Well, if you remember from one of my previous episodes, that I can't get these off. Now, I tried this side, not on camera. The other side I tried on camera, heated them up, all kinds of stuff. Big breaker bar on it, pipe, whatnot. This side here, I didn't try heating it up, but I had this 6-foot pipe on there. It was bending my breaker bar, had the impact on there, etc. 3/4 inch air, 1/2 inch dewalt. I don't have anything that'll touch it. A buddy of mine, Jake, he told me, why don't you try a hammer wrench? Well, I forgot all about them things. So I went on eBay and I got myself a hammer wrench. This is made by Wright, USA. It's a little bit of a loose fit on there. Let's give it a try. I don't know what to think here. I'm not expecting a whole lot. I'd be quite surprised if it works. Wow! Look at that. Gotta hit the wrench. I don't think this thing was used very much before. I'm giving it a good beating. Now, the bad part is it's hard to get it on this one. Oh, that one's tight yet. Wow. It's coming. That one's still pretty snug. I don't like doing that. Oh, it's going, but I gotta hit it really hard. Oh man, getting a workout. It's loose. Oh, yay. That lock washer broke. I ain't gonna be lifting this off by hand. I think we can get at the seal now. Pretty rusty out on the end here, where that dual hub was. That's a big bearing. I've got to get this cleaned up better before that goes back on. The seal is a 144139 C1. This is for a 3 1/4 inch axle. It's a National 41768 SSR. And let's get these numbers 20046. Got to drive it in to get it out. Just like that. Get that cleaned up a little bit. Generally you want the spring to go innards. So there's a little wiper on the outside, a big seal on the inside. You don't want to hit your race here. Should be good. And there's an O-ring around here, so you don't have to worry about putting any sealant on there. I'm going to lube up the seal and the shaft a little bit and jam it back on. Well, there you go, guys. Hopefully that helped somebody out. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?